Hello everybody, on today's video we're going to show you how to run the Paper Advanced Calibration on an HP D2530 DesignJet Plotter. This setting helps with banding and some of the other image problems you may have with different types of paper. So you're going to want to run this adjustment on different types of paper. We'll run it on bond today, but you're definitely going to want to run this on your heavyweight, your photo paper, instant dry satin paper, any paper that you throw in, especially for the first time, you're going to want to run this adjustment. Then it locks those settings in and keeps them in until you do a reset or wipe the machine or something like that. So once again, if this is the first time you're running this type of paper, you're going to want to run this adjustment, which is the Paper Advanced Calibration. This is the one for the users. First things first, let's just go right into the settings tab and then settings at the bottom right of the screen. And we're just going to scroll to where it says image quality maintenance, just like that, easy peasy. Then we're going to scroll to Paper Advanced Calibration. And then it just wants you to know, is it going to go in the stacker or the basket once it's done? And then it has the adjust Paper Advanced. You can do that manually if you want. And you can also reset the Paper Advanced. I'm going to have mine go into the stacker, and it's going to tell you which roll do you want the Paper Advanced to adjust. Once again, if you have some special paper in roll 1 or roll 2 that you're using for the first time, you're just going to go ahead and select that. Let's just do, for the sake of the video, roll 1, and the machine will start its Paper Advanced Calibration. This takes a little while, so just be patient with it. But once again, very important adjustment to run. When it is done and everything's okay, I'll come back and end the video. And the Paper Advanced Calibration is done. You should get a nice printout sheet just like so. Once again, run this on your different types of paper, heavyweight paper, any type of thick paper, even run it on your bond paper like I did right here. It should help with some of that banding that you get. Just keeps the machine nice and calibrated with its paper. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.